Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you split your screen and work with multiple applications simultaneously either in your computer or your laptop. Also to add, do subscribe our channel at the end of the video. So without further delay, let's get right into it. In order to use this feature, you have to enable certain options in your system settings. To do so, go to the Start menu and click on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings app. After setting app opens, go to System. Here you will get a bunch of different options to explore. Scroll down and select Multitasking. In multitasking, you'll get an option for Snap. If this option isn't enabled, enable it. Also enable other options associated with this feature. Now after you're done with this, close the window. Now I would be showing you how can you split two windows at a time. So here I'm using a Chrome browser and the File Explorer. So go put your cursor at the top of the window and drag it with your left mouse button clicked to the left or to the right. Here I'm dragging it to the left and put it there. So now from here select the other window which you want to have in your right side. So I'm selecting Chrome. So here you can work out with two different windows at the same time and they will be visible to you simultaneously. Isn't that cool? So now how to split four windows. Likewise, I did in the left and in the right to split two windows. So to split four windows, you have to drag the windows into the four corners of your screen. Let's follow. So here I have the Chrome browser and I'm dragging it to the corner of the screen. I'm dragging File Explorer to the other corner, and now here I have movies and TV. Now if you open it completely, you can use three windows at a time like this, and else if you want to use four windows, drag it to the uppermost corner and select this. So guys, now you can use four windows at a time. You can type in your Word or perform any other action while watching a video of your choice. You can work with File Explorer, with Chrome browser or any other browser, and you can work with your other softwares. So this was the tutorial. I hope that it helped you to learn something new, something techy. With this note, we are signing off.